What's up everybody? My name is Marissa Parker and today I'm going to be showing you the behind the scenes of what it might look like to upload videos onto YouTube. Now, this might look a little different for everyone, depending on their video niches, but these are the essential things that you can use to start a YouTube channel. Before I get started, I just want to say, if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, you really don't need anything fancy. You can record them and edit them if you like, all on your mobile device. The things I'm about to show you are just things that I use now that I have dove in a little deeper to YouTube, but they're definitely not things that you need. The biggest pointer I'd like to give is to just get started. We all gotta start somewhere, so why not start today? Alright, if you're interested in seeing the back-end productions of consistently uploading videos to YouTube, then just keep watching. Okay, so first what we're going to talk about is the equipment you may need, which is as follows. A camera, one with a front-facing screen is really helpful. A tripod, SD cards and maybe backup SD cards, batteries, battery charger, a ring light, an external hard drive, especially if you're recording multiple videos, your computer, and a backdrop, which is optional. So here I'm setting up a backdrop. Not everyone uses a backdrop. Some people just use natural backdrops, and some people don't have to set up or tear down their backdrops. But for me, we don't keep ours up, so we do put it up and then tear down every time we film. Here's what the whole setup looks like with the ring light and backdrop, and our perspective when we're recording. Now here's the fun part. You can record sit-down videos, or you can go about your life and document things along the way. You can literally film anything you enjoy and have fun creating whatever content you want. That's the beauty of YouTube. The possibilities are endless, and you can create anything you'd like. Editing can be extremely draining, but also really enjoyable and satisfying at the same time. It also makes a huge difference in your video quality and production. So essentially all I do is upload all my footage to my MacBook and then use iMovie to edit the video. The more you play around with iMovie, the easier it gets and the more tricks you will learn. After doing it for a while, it becomes second nature, and it is actually my favorite part of making YouTube videos. Once you're done editing your video and you're ready to upload it to YouTube, what I do is download the video file and then go to YouTube. At the top right hand corner, you will see a video camera with a plus sign on it. Click that and then click Upload Video. Select your file and it will begin to upload. As your video is uploading, you can edit all of the details. You have the video title, which is important for search engine purposes. Then you have the video description, where you can put what the video is about and any links you'd like to add. Then there's the thumbnail. And the thumbnail is super important. If you have an attractive thumbnail, then your video is way more likely to be clicked on. Next, you have your playlist of different videos you may have. Then your tags. Tags are important too, because these are your keywords and likely what will help connect someone to your video topic, as well as your category, where you want to make sure your video ends up in the right genre. Lastly, you will choose to either publicly publish your video, make it private, or schedule it if you have pre-recorded videos. Then, you're done. Publish that thing and you are officially on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was a guide into helping you understand the things that go into creating content and sustaining a YouTube channel. Now, what is something you would like to share with the world through YouTube? Start your channel today.